Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to handle code protection and reverse engineering using my custom tools. We're starting here on the fireflyprotector.xyz dashboard. First, log into your account or make a new account. If you head over to the Tools section, you'll find the WeAreDevs DEOBFUSCAtor. This links directly to my GitHub repository, Prometheus-WeAreDevs-Dumper. This is a trace-based deobfuscator specifically built to reconstruct the original logic from scripts protected by the WeAreDevs Obfuscator. For this demo, we have a simple luau script. As you can see, it's a basic loop sending a chat message. Right now, it's completely readable, but we're about to change that. Let's head over to the WeAreDevs luau obfuscator. I'll paste our code in and hit obfuscate. Now the logic is hidden behind a massive wall of complex constants and virtual machine instructions. This is what we want to reverse. After downloading the obfuscated script, I'll move it into my local repository folder. We're going to run the deobfuscator using Python. Just open your terminal and call the script, passing the obfuscated file as the argument. The deobfuscator is now performing a trace emulation. It's capturing every function call, indexing every constant, and mapping out the control flow in real time. You can see it identifying the game service and the specific chat events we used in the original script. Now we need to run the trace to Lua script with the trace as the argument to reconstruct the original Lua logic. This may take a while. Now let's compare. It is almost identical to the original script. Thanks for watching.